In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print your Microsoft Planner board in just 5 short minutes. Whether you need a physical copy to jot notes on it or prefer a PDF to share it digitally, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to open your preferred web browser and search for Microsoft Planner. Simply type Microsoft Planner into the search bar, press Enter, and click on the official website. Once you're there, you'll see an option to sign in. Give it a click. Now, if you already have a Microsoft 365 account, you might find that you're automatically signed in, making this step a breeze. If not, don't worry. Simply enter your email address followed by your password, and you're in. Now, if you're looking to print a specific task within your planner, you'll want to open your plan in Microsoft Planner and navigate to the task you're interested in. Click on the task to open its details, which will allow you to focus on just the information you need. At this point, you'll notice a button to show or hide the sidebar on the left-hand side. I recommend toggling that sidebar to give yourself more screen space for the task details. Now, let's get to the key part, the printing. If you're using a Windows device, press Ctrl+P. If you're on a Mac, it's CMD+P. This will open the print dialog box. Once the dialog box is open, you're presented with a couple of choices. You can either choose your printer for a hard copy or select Save as PDF if you prefer a digital version. Once you've made your choice, go ahead and print or save accordingly. If you're interested in printing the charts or timeline view of your planner, start by selecting the charts or timeline view. Just like before, click on the button to hide the left sidebar. This clears up space and ensures you get a cleaner printout. Again, press Ctrl+P on Windows or CMD+P on Mac to open the print dialog. At this stage, a PDF is automatically prepared and downloaded to your browser. This PDF file is a digital version of your plan's timeline or charts view and is ready to be printed if needed. And there you have it, folks. With just a few clicks and keyboard shortcuts, you can print or save your Microsoft Planner board efficiently and effectively. As always, feel free to watch this video again if you need a refresher. Thanks for tuning in, and happy planning!